Let's put up Zomato. I think it's definitely the high point of the day. And how? I mean, look at that. That's an 18% move. Wow. I mean, that's a 40 rupee move on a 200 and whatever. I mean, 280 rupee stock now. So incredible move. Mangalam is back with us to highlight some of what stood out. I mean, a lot stood out. Mangalam, over to you.
You know what's surprising, Prashant, is the move today on Zomato is 40 rupees. Just a couple of years ago, almost 18 months ago, the stock itself was about 40 rupees. So that's the kind of move that we've seen on Zomato. And it's a perfect, scenario for all sorts of results. If you look at the numbers, streak of good results continue. Brokerages upgrade the stock. Add to that, the profitability of the company. Annualized profits for this year are close to 1,200 crores. And at the same time, Blinkit, which has been the valuation driver and the value driver of the company, they've gone ahead and upped the growth guidance for that as well. And if the street couldn't have enough of that, well, they've spoken about District app by Zomato, which could be their third vertical of growth as well. So overall, reported revenue growth of the company grew by 74%. Food delivery grew by 42%, with margins expanding out there. Quick commerce revenue grew by 145%, and on an EBIT basis, it's a gain of 43 crores versus a loss of 105 crores. This time around as well, they're narrowing the losses that they're making in some of their key verticals as well. As a result of which, the brokerages have gone ahead and become positive on the stock as well from already positive stance. So CLSA has raised their targets to around 350 rupees. They've raised their estimates by 6% to 36% over the next couple of years. Motilal Oswal has said that Blinkit defies their attempts to value the stock fairly, and Nomura, Citi, all of them are pretty positive, with both Jefferies and Citi actually looking ahead at what the company does with their going out business. Because in the going out business itself, they've seen use cases increasing in all the way up to sports ticketing, movie ticketing, live performances, shopping and staycations, etc. With this District app that the company is likely to launch, it will address these use cases. The management has said that this could very well be the third largest B2C business emerging out of Zomato. So now the street is looking at Blinkit's example and thinking that if this has to be as big, then maybe they could start ascribing value to that too.
Okay, thanks a lot for that. So that is on Zomato, the big mover this morning.